This is Deepak Chopra, and I'm inviting you to join me in a 4-part online self-discovery workshop. It's being offered free of charge. Everyone has the capacity to discover who they really are. The door is open in consciousness, and this workshop is about how to expand your consciousness in very practical ways. It's a fascinating journey to get in touch with your true self, which exists inside you deeper than the everyday level of mental activity. The true self offers the possibility of a life without struggle, where desires are fulfilled effortlessly. Expanding your awareness opens the field of infinite potential, the source of love, energy, creativity, and a lifetime of personal growth. Self-discovery makes all of that possible. Every day, you make all kinds of choices about what to do, say, or think. These choices are either life-supporting, moving you forward in your personal growth, or they keep you stuck, perhaps moving you in the wrong direction. This workshop will teach you how to make life-supporting choices and how to avoid choices that contract your awareness. It is contracted awareness that causes much of the pain and suffering in our lives. Because when you contract inside, you experience tension, anxiety, and insecurity. Whether your intention is more love, more joy, more abundance, or greater inner peace, the path of self-discovery is crucial. All you need to do is register for free on this page by entering your name and email now. I look forward to sharing this journey with you.